All right, let's check our work. Let's start with share and show. Number 1 it says continue making equal groups to find 18 divided by 6. They made one group of 6. Let's make some more groups of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 18 divided by 6 is what? Well, I have 1, 2, 3 groups of 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. Down here we're finding the unknown factor and quotient. So I have 12 and 6. So let's do 6 times what equals 12? 6 times 2 equals 12, right? 6, 12, or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, so 6 times 2 equals 12, and 12 divided by 6 would be 2. It works both ways. All right, let's find the quotient. 42 and 6. What times 6 equals 42? Let's write out some factors of 6 multiples of 6. So I know 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 is 24. 5 is 30. 6 is 36. 7 is 42. All right, so 7 times 6 is 42. So my quotient, if I'm doing division, 42 divided by 6 would equal 7. Okay? And you could use your multiplication chart to do this part as well. Okay? Find the unknown number. 54 divided by 6. 54 divided by 6. Well, I hadn't reached it yet over here, so I'm going to keep adding. Oh. Sorry. I skipped one. Don't get ahead of yourself, Miss Pearson. There you go. So, 54 divided by 6. Having issues counting today, guys. I'm so sorry. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. How about 40 divided by 5? Ooh, these are 5s, not 6s. My divisor is 5. So, 40 and 5. 5 times what equals 40? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 8. 0 divided by 6. Can I do that? It equals 0. Anything divided by 0. All right, 60 divided by 10. If I use my knowledge of my tens, I know that all I have to do is look at the tens place to get my number, my quotient. All right, so we found the unknown number, which was our quotient. Now we need to find the unknown number, which is our divisor. So I'm going to use my fact families again and my chart over here. So I know I have 42 and I have an answer of 7. So 42 divided by what equals 7? 42 divided by 6 equals 7. Because 6 times 7 is 42, right? 6 times 7 is 42. How about 24 divided by what equals 8? 24 divided by what equals 8? I have 24 and I have 8. 8 times what equals 24? Look at your multiplication chart. You will find that 8 times 3 equals 24. So they are throwing in not just 6s, but we have 5s, 3s, bet we're going to have some 4s and some 2's. All sorts of good stuff going on. 16 divided by what equals 4? Okay. 16 divided by what equals 4? Well, that's the same as 4 times what equals 16. I know that 4 times 4 equals 16. Ooh, my favorite one. Do you ever have a favorite multiplication problem? This one happens to be mine. 4 times what equals 32? 8. So we threw in some 3's and 4's down here for divisors, just to keep you on your toes and keep you fresh with your division work. These would be your answers. How did you do? How are you feeling about dividing with 6? I know it's a little bit bigger of a number, and that's okay. You have strategies that you can use to figure it out, whether it's using your fact families with your multiplication table, or drawing a picture, or even using factors to solve the problem. You have plenty of strategies to use. On the next page, you're going to be doing some problem solving, and this is going to ask you to explain your thinking. So make sure that you're reading through the entire question, thinking through the entire question, and then answering the question. All right, can't wait to see what you do.